Phonics with magical Mrs. Hutchins and Monster Crunch. How are you today? Are you well? You are? Fantastic. Well, Monster Crunch and I thought that we might explore another letter sound. But first, before we do, we need to wake Monster Crunch up. Can you remember how the song goes? You can? Come on then, let's sing to him. You ready? Monster Crunch, how are you today? Monster Crunch, will you come and play? If I tickle your tummy just like this, I wonder what you'll do. Monster Crunch, won't you come and play? I wonder what our sound could be today. Should we dive straight in now that we've woken Monster Crunch up and have a little look at what he might have eaten? I think we should. You ready? Now remember, the objects in his tummy start with the letter sound that we're looking at. I've a funny feeling that Monster Crunch has been in the garage. What on earth has he eaten? Can you see? Yes, that's right, it's a hammer. You're a cheeky little monster. What else have we got in here today? Oh, I can see some legs. They've got purple bandages around them. Oh, 2 legs, 4 legs. Oh, this is rather lovely. Where did you find that? Can you see? What's Monster Crunch eaten? Yes, a horse. We've had a horse and a hammer. Uh-oh. This is a good one. I wouldn't want you to have eaten a life-size one of these because it might be a bit tricky. Can you see? Let me just alter the blades. Here we go. Had a hair on it. What do we think this one is here? Any ideas? A helicopter. Well done you. Doing well today. And oh, there might be a few more things in the bottom here. Oh, this feels rather hard. It's a little bit heavy too. Oh, I wasn't prepared for that. Goodness me, look. It's an ornament. It's an ornament of a special kind of bird. Any ideas what this bird is called with the long beak? It's a hummingbird. Yeah, we've got a hummingbird. Any ideas on that letter sound yet? Have you got an idea? I bet you do. Oh, oh, this is Monster Crunch's. He's taken it from his dressing table. Look, he's got his hairbrush. I say, right. What's our letter sound? Have you guessed it? You have? Well done you. It is. You are quite right. The letter we are looking at today is the letter H that makes the sound. The letter H that makes the sound. I'm going to pop it on the board behind us here. There we go. Give it a squidge so it doesn't fall off. Right, so today we are looking at the letter H that makes the sound. Now can you remember what that animal was that had 4 legs and lives outside in a field or a stable? Horse. Well done you. That starts with the letter H. Horse. Okay, remind me, what is our letter sound? Getting a bit forgetful today. Our letter sound is the letter H that makes the sound. Right, one more thing to test you. You might wear this on your head. And this one that I'm about to show you a picture of is made of straw. Hat. Super! Fantastic. Monster Crunch has got a lovely straw hat. Might have to bring it and show you another time. Right, so today we're looking at the letter H that makes the sound. How would we go about writing it? Do you have any idea? Well, I'm going to let you into a little secret. Now, do you remember we saw the horse? Well, you have to pretend that the horse is hiding inside the letter H. Can you see it? You can? Good. And then when you're writing an H, you have to say a little rhyme to yourself. So you have to say down the head to the hooves and over his back. Let's see if that works, shall we? Down the head to the hooves and over his back. I think that might. Shall we try it? I think we should. So if you've got a pen or a pencil or a crayon, you can have a go with me too. Are you ready? So we've got to say the little rhyme to ourselves, which is down the head to the hooves and over his back. Let's have a go. Right, down the head to the hooves and over his back. How did we get on? Ah, we did well. I think we should do another letter H, don't you? Down his head to his hooves and over his back. How are we doing? Ah, yeah, doing pretty well today. Let's do one more, but we won't say the rhyme out loud. We'll only say it in our heads. Are you ready? Fantastic! You've done superbly. Look at that. We've done 3 letter H's that make the sound. Absolutely superb. Well done you today. For phonics today, we have been looking at the letter H that makes the sound, and hopefully you'll come back and join Monster Crunch and I soon for another sound. So we're going to say bye-bye and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye!